Hello, reception, and welcome to your first topic lesson of this term. As you can see behind me, we are no longer doing space as our topic. Our new topic is now life cycle. Now, I can hear you saying, what's life cycle? What is that about? I am going to tell you. So, welcome to our topic of life cycles. And the first question always is, what is a life cycle? So a life cycle is the stages a living thing goes through during its life. So these can be animals or also humans. So we go through different stages of our life. So we start off as babies in our mummy's tummies, then we come out and we're still babies, then we learn to walk and talk, and we become toddlers, then we become young children, teenagers, young adults, and then grown-ups, adults. So these are just the stages that living things go through in life. So I want you to think of any animals whose life cycles we might be thinking of, because I know humans are quite easy. We know exactly what happens to us as we grow up. But what animals do you think we will be looking at during this topic? So pause the video and have a think. Okay, so I hope you had some great ideas, but I am going to tell you what animals we are going to be looking at while we explore this topic. So we are going to be looking at the life cycle of a butterfly. We are going to be looking at the life cycle of a chicken, the life cycle of a frog, and also the life cycle of a caterpillar, of a ladybird, sorry. And there are different books as well that you can look through that will explain the life cycles of these animals. For example, the life cycle of a butterfly, most famously known, is the Very Hungry Caterpillar. So we would definitely be taking a look at that in literacy as well. So these are the four life cycles that we are going to be focusing on. And today, the first life cycle we are looking at is the life cycle of a butterfly. So we are going to be looking at how a butterfly transforms from an egg into a butterfly, basically. So let's go. So a butterfly begins its life as a small white egg. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, it's really small and it's on a leaf. So it's just an egg. Can you say egg? Egg. Egg. Perfect. So that is the first stage of a butterfly's life. Then, after about 5 days, the egg hatches into a small caterpillar. So can you say caterpillar? Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Fantastic. So we have egg, then we have a caterpillar, and the caterpillar's first meal, believe it or not, is its own eggshell. So after it comes out of the egg, it eats the eggshell. And they eat lots and lots and lots. I know if you know the story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, you will know exactly how much a caterpillar eats, okay? And they eat in order for them to grow. So we have an egg and then a caterpillar. So the first stage is an egg. Can you say egg? And then the second stage is a caterpillar. Lovely. Let's see what the next stage is. So after the caterpillar eats and eats and eats, it then forms a chrysalis. Now that's a tricky word to say. Try it with me. Chrysalis. Chrysalis. Okay, and that is also known as a cocoon. So I know in the Very Hungry Caterpillar story, they call it a cocoon. Well, they're exactly the same thing. The caterpillar attaches itself to a twig and then it forms a hard outer shell called a chrysalis, a pupa, a cocoon, whichever one you want to call it, and they do not eat in this stage of their life. So they spend their caterpillar stage eating lots and lots and lots, but then as soon as they go into their cocoon or their chrysalis, then there is no more eating at this stage, okay? And this is where the caterpillar spends most of its time transforming, okay? So we have an egg first, Then we have the caterpillar. Then the caterpillar wraps itself in a chrysalis, and then out from the chrysalis emerges a beautiful butterfly. Wow. So we have egg, say it with me, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and then butterfly. So the sun warms the butterfly's body and it's able to fly to different flowers, and it sucks the nectar out of these flowers using its long curly tongue. So butterflies can't bite or chew, okay, and they only live for about 2 weeks, and then the cycle starts all over again. Okay, so we have egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Okay, so that is the life cycle of a butterfly. So the female butterflies then lay more eggs, and then the life cycle starts all over again. And as you can see, the eggs come in all different shapes, colors, and sizes. So the more eggs they lay, the more butterflies we will have. So let's just go over our life cycle before we move on. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. So this is an egg. Well done. Then it turns into a caterpillar, then into a chrysalis or a cocoon. Well done. And then the last bit is a butterfly. Well done. So when I point to them, you just say what they are. So egg, lovely. Butterfly, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, caterpillar. Fantastic. Well done, guys. You really know the life cycle of a butterfly. So we are going to look at one butterfly in particular right now, and that is called the monarch butterfly. And this butterfly is really special. So I want you to have a think as to why it might be special. So pause the video and have a think why you think it is special. Okay, so I hope you have lots of ideas as to why you might think it's special, but we are going to watch a video that is going to explain to us why the monarch butterflies are special.
And now it's time for some more amazing animals. Number 49, the amazing monarch butterfly. These lovely orange, black and white creatures do absolutely incredible things. Found in North, Central and South America and a few other places in the world, the monarch butterfly starts life by being born on a milkweed leaf. They quickly fatten up to become colourful caterpillars, and it's not long till they start the incredible transformation from pupa into something really rather magical. Oh.
Wing Commander Schmetterling ready for takeoff.
In only a matter of hours, the monarch is ready to fly.
I'm free!
From baby egg to butterfly in just around a month, it's one of the most startling transformations of the whole animal kingdom. The monarch butterfly can travel thousands of miles. Whee! And when the wind is right, even to Great Britain.
Welcome to Great Britain.
Some of the journeys are so long, only the butterfly's grandchildren get to make it home, sometimes resting in the same tree as their grandparents before them.
There's some space on this branch, Keith.
Oh, great, man. Everyone is here. The monarch butterfly certainly deserves to be called an amazing animal.
We have just seen why monarch butterflies are so special, and that includes things like oh, sorry, wrong side. That included things like having a transformation time of just 1 month, how far they can travel as well. They also came to Great Britain, as we can see. There's loads of them and they can travel really far. So it makes them such a special and unique butterfly. And also just the colors of the butterfly are amazing. So let's move on and think about the colors that butterflies are. So I want you to pause the video and just think about what colors butterflies are. Good. So I hope you said an array of colors, because butterflies can be any color. They are definitely all different colors. So as we can see here, butterflies come in all different colors, and they also come in all different sizes as well. We even have black butterflies. Okay, so some are really colorful and some are quite dull. So they're all different colors. So my next question is, do you think butterflies have the same patterns on their wings? So pause the video now and have a conversation as to whether you think butterflies have the same patterns or different patterns. Okay, so as you can see from these butterflies, they all have different patterns on their wings. Okay, so I would like you to just take a moment now to try and describe some of the patterns that you can see. Good job. So I hope I heard you said things like stripy and spotty, colorful, those sorts of adjectives to describe the butterflies that you can see. So now, because we have looked at the different colors of a butterfly and also the different patterns that butterflies can have on them, we are going to get creative now. Okay, so I would like you to go and get yourself some paper and also some coloring pencils or some coloring pens, crayons, whatever you want to use. And then come back. So pause the video, go and get your things and then come back. So I hope you have everything that you need. We are going to try and draw our own butterfly. Okay, so the first thing I have is a pencil. I've got my colored pens and I also have some sequins and some glue because I want my butterfly to be quite colorful. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw my butterfly's body. Okay, so I'm just going to draw it like a really long oval. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that. So you can pause the video and draw with me, or you can just watch me and you can draw it after. So once you have your oval, remember butterflies are the same on both sides. Okay, so what we need to do is make sure they look the same on each side. So I'm going to draw one side first and then go over and do the other side. Okay, so I'm going to go out like this and then come in. Then I need to make sure that the other side looks the same, so they look symmetrical in shape. So I'm going to go out, around, down, and in. Okay, so they look somewhat symmetrical. Then I'll start on this side again, out again, down, and to the middle. Okay, so then on this side, the same, out, down, and up to the middle. So that is my butterfly. That's the butterfly's outline. Don't forget that your butterfly also has these at the top. You don't have to draw them if you don't want to, but I like them. Okay, so just like that. Once you have the outline, now it's time to decorate your butterfly. Okay, so I think I'm going to use purple for my butterfly. So I'm going to just go in and color this wing here. Okay, then I'm going to colour the other side as well. Okay, and then I'm going to use pink for the bottom bit of the wings. So just like this. Oh, Miss Coogie's pens are all running out. But yours will look a lot neater than mine. My pens are running out, unfortunately. And the same on this side. Yours don't have to be the same, but this is just the design that I have chosen. Then I'm going to go in with a black pen and just go over my outline, just so you can see it a bit more. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm going to colour in the middle bit of my butterfly, which is great. Okay, so that is my butterfly done. I'm going to take a few of my sequins and just put some glue on them. So I'm going to put one there. Remember, they don't have to be the same. So I'm going to use different colours on mine. And then like that. Okay, so that is my butterfly. You can draw a butterfly, you can make a butterfly with the things around your house, or you can become a butterfly even. Okay, so there are 3 things that you can do there. You can make a butterfly, draw a butterfly, or become a butterfly. But whatever you do, make sure it goes on Seesaw. And I hope you have enjoyed your first lesson all about life cycles. And today it was the life cycle of a... Good job, the life cycle of a butterfly. Fantastic. I will see you next week for another topic lesson. Bye.